Zion, Azasia, and Jubu.
Yung Dapit ko sa bintana mo.
Yung Jubu.
Dapit ko sa bintana mo.
Tapan yung Jubu, tapan yung Jubu.
Dapit ko sa bintana.
Dito ka sa layak ka eh. Bakit? Pero kaso.
Yes! Sa bintana! Oh!
Ay na mo pa Golding Hands. Golding Hands pa yun doon. Paspas lakaw dong. Paspas lakaw. Ikaw paspas. Ito lakaw atong atin. Paspas ulit. Paspas. Ay, pag-i-i-i.
Once again, for everyone's safety, please be advised that the use of power banks during the flight is strictly prohibited. Power banks must remain switched off and should not be connected to any device while on board. Additionally, please ensure that your power bank is individually packed and kept in the seat pocket in front of you, or your own pocket. If you notice any signs of overheating, smoke, or fire from a power bank, please notify your service.
Nabuyong si yung. Piyong. Piyong, para di ka malipong. Lang. Jubo. Sila lang nabuyong. Nabuyong sila lang. Yung oy. Ano kasi yung.
favorite part of every Cebu Pacific flight, which is the fun game. Let us play the April game. It is summertime in the Philippines and the season is just about to start. We'll be giving out prizes to guess who will win our game. All the answers to our questions should start with the letter A, P, R, I, or L. Example, give us a color that starts with the letter L. Lavender is the correct answer because it starts with the letter L. I believe my instruction is clear. If you are ready, let's begin. For our first prize,
Kuya, nakitaan ko din
give
mo,
us
kuya.
an animal that starts with the letter A.
Nakitaan ko din mo.
We have a quick hand by the middle section. Congratulations. Possible answers are antelope, arowana, and alligator, and many more. Now for our second prize, give us a color that starts with the letter B. Another possible winner by the middle section. Congratulations.
Character directions.
Kasi siya. Kasi siya. Lion. Sila lang.
May seatbelt na. May seatbelt. Seatbelt.
Sabay na si yung sa earth. Yung. Zion. Pas mo lakaw ba? Pas masag lakaw ba? Dito. Iya kay.
May tubig rin eh. Giingon mo sa kuwan. May mo shark. May.
Jobo. Ate. Jobo. Ana senti love lang ba? Nagbakasyon daw kuno tag una-una. Na wala pa man daw kuno yung bakasyon.
Kung naghahanap ka ng alternatibo para sa iyong pag-aayuno, aba, baka